Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. Outside the car you've got 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's reverse parking sensors. Inside the car there's half leather interior. The 7-inch touchscreen features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and also cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car comes with the top of the range 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's also got a 6-speed manual gearbox that's done less than 13,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.